This evening feels like the first night of summer. It was hot. It was actually hot today. It felt so good. I got out in the yard. I did a project that I've been wanting to do, which was these urns or pots on my front porch. I have a really tall front door, and so I needed something really pretty big and something kind of pretty tall. And I've just struggled. I have not been able to find what I wanted. I've ordered things and sent them back. I've tried things and then just gone, it's not really big enough. It's not really tall enough. So I actually came across these two pots because I realized as I was looking at them, I could stack these. I could turn the square one upside down, make it kind of a post, and then put these other round ones on top of that. And I really love the way they turned out. And I added some little finials on the squares. So quick little video tutorial to show you how I did it.